Planning your next adventure doesn't have to be overwhelming. With just a few taps on your phone, you can organize flights, accommodations, and itineraries like a pro. Today, we're diving into the top 3 apps that will turn your travel dreams into reality, saving you time, stress, and money. First up, Google Maps. Google Maps is more than just a navigation tool. It is an essential travel planner. Before leaving, you can use the saved feature to create custom lists of places to visit, restaurants, landmarks, and hidden gems. Its offline maps feature ensures you never get lost, even in areas with no internet. Google Maps also provides live updates on transit routes, walking paths, and real-time traffic, making it a go-to app for every step of your journey. Next, Hopper. Hopper is your ultimate app for finding the best deals on flights and hotels. It uses predictive analytics to determine when to book for the lowest prices. Simply input your destination, and Hopper will notify you when prices are about to drop or rise, ensuring you never overpay. Plus, with its flexible booking options and trip protection, Hopper gives you peace of mind while saving you money. Finally, Tripet. Tripet is like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket. Forward your flight, hotel, and car rental confirmations to the app, and it automatically creates a detailed itinerary. There is no need to juggle multiple emails or apps. Everything you need is in one organized place. With the Pro version, you even get real-time flight updates and alternative route suggestions in case of delays, making it a lifesaver for frequent travelers. With Google Maps, Hopper, and Tripet in your arsenal, your next adventure will be smooth, efficient, and unforgettable. Start planning today by downloading these must-have apps and take your travel game to the next level. Happy travels!